Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dry sea moss. First, you need to prepare your raw sea moss. Begin by carefully inspecting it and removing any visible impurities like sand or small shells. Then, rinse the sea moss thoroughly under cold running water. After this initial rinse, place the sea moss in a large bowl and cover it completely with fresh, clean water. Allow it to soak for 12 to 24 hours, letting it rehydrate and expand. Once your sea moss is clean and rehydrated, sun drying is a natural and effective method. Lay the sea moss out in a single layer on a clean, non-metallic surface, such as a drying rack or a clean sheet. Make sure there's plenty of airflow around each piece. Turn the sea moss every few hours to ensure it dries evenly on all sides. This process can take several days, depending on the humidity and sunlight. For a more controlled drying process, a food dehydrator works wonderfully. After cleaning and soaking, spread the sea moss in a single layer on your dehydrator trays, ensuring no pieces overlap. Set the temperature to a low setting, ideally around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle heat helps preserve the nutrients. Continue drying until the sea moss is completely brittle and snaps easily, which may take several hours. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your dried sea moss. Once it's thoroughly dry and brittle, transfer it to an airtight container, such as a glass jar or a vacuum-sealed bag. Store this container in a cool, dark, and dry location, like a pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight and heat. When stored correctly, dried sea moss can maintain its quality for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.